What is cloud seeding and how does it work? Well, cloud seeding is to encourage the cloud to produce rain. The cloud seeding in the UAE is being conducted by the weather authorities to create artificial rain. This project began 9 years ago, and it cost billions of dollars to have this rain, and it's been successful creating this awesome rain for all of us. The question is, how does cloud seeding work? This airplane helps to produce rain. Well, actually he's showing like something to make a condensation or ice nuclei, which can help to produce more rain. Well, 35% or 50% can create for this rain. The substance that they throw in the air are the substance that create clouds to perform a great rain. This cloud is forming, it's forming to make rain. Okay, so we will just wait for a few minutes or maybe an hour to create rain. And as you, like I showed you the airplane who's creating and making a seeding, it's actually to make a rain. Yeah, so that's what we call cloud seeding. Cloud seeding from this cloud to this. And a few minutes now, the rain will pour out in this place. So guys, enjoy the rain, but be careful, okay? From these clouds to these clouds, and later it's a big rain. Now, birds are flying from a distance because they sense something that the rain is ready to perform. Did you know that the birds are one of the most sensitive creatures in the world? They can easily sense their prey or their enemies. They're also sensitive about the weather conditions. As you can see from here, they are hiding now because they knew that the rain is coming. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. And also please click the bell button for you to be updated in more videos. And also please share it to your colleague. Okay? Woo, because sharing is caring. Bye bye.